Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a sticker, and I'll be showing you this and where you can put your stickers. Okay, so I'll show you. So this is my stickers that I made. Of course, a sticker of my YouTube channel. But first, let's take this spoon out. Okay. Who's ready? 3, 2, 1, there. So then you got this, and well, that didn't turn out so good. Let's put it back in, and I'll put pressure on it. Let's see. Okay, that was a big fat fail. But now I'll be showing you how to make a sticker. It's only like a minute, close to a minute. This is why, if you ever have kinetic sand, always play with it on a plate or something like that, because it will get everywhere and it is unstoppable. So once you got all of that in, so I'll just, make it a bit quicker. Alright guys, so now I've got it back in. We'll put that on. Now to the part where I'm going to show. Now to the part where I'm going to show you how to make a sticker like this one that I made, and it doesn't take that long. So if you're watching this really late at night and you want to do a quick thing before someone comes back and catches you, you're going to want to do something quick. So this will be the thing you'll want to make. Okay, if you've seen a video where they do something like this, they get sticky tape and put it over the sticker. Don't trust those. They are big fat scams. I tried it on 3. But what you'll want to do is you'll want to get sticky tape and whatever you're going to make. So I got my sticky tape right here. I'm just going to put it on the edge so I can take it off after. And now you're going to want to draw whatever. Like I'm going to draw, let's do a pizza. And when you're done doing that pizza, all you're going to need to do, it's so simple, just cut that. You can use this other sticky tape for other stuff. So this one, you'll cut the top off. Now what you're going to want to do with this, places you can put it. You can put it on a cup. You can put it on a plate, because if you come over here, if you put it on a plate, you'll think, why would you do that, kitty? And you would put it on the plate and it'll just wash off. Well, no, you can't actually. I will wash it until it's unbreakable. Can't break it. So you can't. So if I put it there, I would wash it and it wouldn't come off.
Alright, wind it up.
So that's how you make a sticker. In my next video, which will be very soon, I will show you how to make a homemade squishy, just needing cotton buds, cotton and sticky tape or paper. And in the comments, you tell me what squishy you want me to make. Here's the choices you got. I can make a pizza pushing a machine, or I will make glasses.
Okay, that'll do. Wind it up. Say thank you.
Thank you for watching. See you later. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and share it with other people. Thank you. Bye.